Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making Christmas tree cinnamon pull-apart bread. Guys, these dinner rolls are sweet, soft, fluffy, and easy to make. So let's get right into it, guys. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. Here are the ingredients you'll need: all-purpose flour, sugar, cinnamon, red cherries, green cherries, active dry yeast, salt, butter, milk, and water. First things first, whisk the warm water, yeast, and 1 tablespoon of sugar together in a measuring cup or a bowl and allow to sit for 5 minutes. While the yeast is blooming, we're gonna go ahead and combine all our dry ingredients. In a medium bowl, add flour, cinnamon, the remaining sugar, and salt. Mix well to combine. The yeast has bloomed, guys, as you can see. Now we're gonna add it to the flour mixture along with the milk. We're gonna mix the flour until it's completely moistened. Turn the dough out onto a floured surface, add butter, and knead by hand for 5 to 7 minutes until smooth. The dough should be sticky, but if it's too sticky, add 1/4 cup of extra flour. Lightly grease a large bowl with olive oil. Place the dough in the bowl. Cover the bowl with a clean kitchen towel. Allow the dough to rise in a relatively warm environment for 30 minutes. When the dough is ready, punch it down to release air. Then we're gonna divide the dough into 25 1.4 ounces equal pieces. If you don't have a kitchen scale, guys, just eyeball it. Most of the time I just eyeball it. Form the dough into round balls. Place on a baking sheet in the form of a Christmas tree. Isn't it beautiful? Cut the red and green cherries in half. Brush with heavy cream. Then we're gonna place the halved cherries on top. You can arrange the cherries however you like, guys. Cover with a clean kitchen towel and proof for 30 minutes. Bake rolls at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 minutes. The rolls are out of the oven, guys. It smells so good in here. The wonderful flavors of cinnamon and cherry mold together in these colorful sweet bread rolls. Brush the rolls with melted butter. If it's your first time here, welcome to Mama B's Kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe and to ring that bell so that every time I upload a new video, you get notified. Also, don't forget to check my holiday playlist. Now let's move on to make icing. Mix powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla at a time. Mix well until smooth and spreadable. Transfer the mixture into a piping bag, then pipe generously with icing, just like so, guys. These rolls you can make ahead of time. Follow the recipe through the step. You shape the individual rolls and place them in a parchment lined baking sheet, then tightly cover the baking sheet with a plastic wrap and refrigerate for up to 48 hours. When you are ready to serve them, transfer the baking sheet to the counter and let it warm up to the room temperature for up to 2 hours. Brush with heavy cream, top with cherries, and bake. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.